in this video, I will be challenging myself to see if it is possible to spin a Rubik's Cube on your finger. So we probably all do like this spinning. Wow, this is going to be a hard challenge. Wow. Whee! All right, you get the point. I'll try to spin a cube on my finger. So let's see if it's possible. So I already know how to like spin a plate on my finger like this, and I can also like spin books and stuff like that. But I don't know how to convert this one to a Rubik's Cube. So is it even like, wow. I should not use my most expensive cube for this. So I will be practicing with this cheap cube. Putting my pointer like this, holding the cube, and then I can kind of like get the beginning of it. But this is so difficult because you cannot like turn your pointer around. All right, I'll just have to keep going. All right, so I can hold it like this, and wow, that was actually something. Let's check it out. That worked.